A very good evening and a warm welcome to all of you who have joined us today for this virtual inauguration. It gives me immense pleasure to address all of you today and share with you our ideas and plans for Tenbrook Academy. I have been practicing arts from a very young age and for many years now. And even today, I cannot exhaustively list how, in so many big and small ways, it has shaped me as a person, both in a professional as well as a personal context. When the founders of the school told me that the philosophy with which they want to build Tenbrook Academy is that arts is integral to education, I quickly jumped on board. The arts curation team consists of Ms. Preeti Bharadwaj, Mr. Talan Subaraya, and Ms. Kritika Ramesh. We believe that every child should have the opportunity to engage with the arts. One of the most important aspects for us is to curate an arts program where children get maximum exposure to different forms of art. We think that each child is unique and has multiple intelligences. So the program will be designed to give them and to build an inclusive space where they can express themselves and holistically engage, where they will be doing something with their hands, they will be using their entire body, they will be expressing through their voice. Our program further aligns with the National Education Policy to ensure there is experiential learning for children through the arts. The activities and the lessons that will be planned for children will be based and guided on extremely thought through curriculums that we will be making with our artists, facilitators, and collaborators. The lessons and the activities will be intention focused, will be built around a purpose, and will also be based on value education and will also be very process oriented. The arts curation team will be constantly designing, implementing, taking feedback from the children and from all of you on a real time basis. We will also creatively reimagine how arts is usually implemented in schools, and we will also try and bring something new to all the events and the celebrations that happen in such educational spaces. We will be experimenting, innovating, and trying many new things for the first time with the children. Once we move into a physical space, we plan to make Tenbrook Academy a vibrant space for the arts by the after school program that we want to introduce. Through this program, children will be able to stay back in school and pursue and practice the arts of their choice. This could be their gateway to pursue the arts for life and even professionally if they want to. The facilitators that we will be bringing on board are practicing professionals who are in the thick of how the arts industry functions. They are best positioned to nurture our children for a meaningful engagement in the arts and also to prepare them for life. We believe that every child is an artist. Our motto at Tenbrook Academy, like Ms. Brinda earlier said, is to help children become the best version of themselves and reach their highest potential. We promise to do this through the arts by equipping the children to lead, to become future change makers, and alongside spread joy and collect a lot of memories. A conducive environment is an extremely important aspect of learning. Thank you, parents, for creating that environment in your homes for the past 1 year for the children. We have also done our bit in building a campus that we're sure the children are going to enjoy and love. Each space has been thought through and built in a forward-looking way, keeping in mind the needs and desires of the children.